Hey, this is Dale with Open Road Outfitters, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use the ezCAN Accessory Manager to power a trailer that's set up with a 4-wire system. A 4-wire is a trailer that has brake lights that are combined with the turn signals, like this. Even if you're not sure how your trailer lights are set up, the ezCAN makes it really easy to configure it so that it will power pretty much any kind of trailer, any way the lights are set up. All right, so let's get started. We'll download the ezCAN software from Hex Systems. The ezCAN comes with a USB cable, so you can connect to your computer, and you can do that whether the ezCAN is installed on the bike or not. The first time you open the ezCAN software, you'll be asked to register your product, and when that's done, you'll arrive at the configuration dashboard, which shows you how your ezCAN is configured. For a 4-wire trailer or camper, we need one channel to activate when we use the left turn or brake. We need another channel to activate when we trigger the right turn or brake. And we need to use one of these two channels to power the running lights. To set the function for a channel, you just click on it and choose what you want it to do. Now I can choose to have that channel act as just a left turn signal, or I can have it act as both a brake and a left turn, which is what I want for a 4-wire system. I'm going to do the same thing for the right turn. I'm going to choose the brake right function. Now the white channel is set up for a 12-volt accessory, and this means the circuit will have a steady 12-volt supply when the bike is turned on. And that's exactly what you want for the running lights, so you don't need to change anything there. Finally, the yellow channel is set up to activate a brake light when you apply the brakes, but remember, a trailer that's set up as a 4-wire doesn't have a separate set of lights for the brake signal, so we don't need this. The only other thing we need to do now is to construct a wiring harness with the quick disconnect plugs and a matching plug on the end to connect to the trailer. So let's take a look at that. Now, 4-wire trailers usually use what's called a flat 4 plug that looks like this. But you can use any plug you want as long as it has a total of 4 wires, 4 pins, 4 poles, whatever you want to call it. Some of the spiders use this funky square 4-pin setup. You can use a 5-pin if you want to. You'll just have one that's not being used. And if you're going to connect between 4 and 5-pin 5-wire trailers, if you've got a couple different things, I like this setup because with this kind of plug, you can connect to both 4 and 5-wire plugs on your trailers without changing the plug on the bike. We set up the red channel as the left turn and brake. We set up the blue channel as the right turn and brake. The running lights we set up on the white circuit, and that goes to the brown wire, and that just leaves one remaining wire to connect. That is the ground wire. So this is a completed harness. I mean, what's great about this is that you can hook this up and quickly disconnect it if you don't want to have this wiring hanging around the bike when you're not using it, or if you take it in for service and you don't want to tip your hand about what you're using, or if you need to switch to a different setup for a different trailer. Let's take a look. So we've got running lights, we've got left turn, we've got right turn, and we have brake on the shared lights. Well, that's it for this video. Now be sure to look for a link to the ezCAN on my website in the description below this video. Once again, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos about motorcycle trailering and camping. This is Dale for Open Road Outfitters, and until next time, I wish you many happy journeys.